Hey guys, it's me and today I'm in a viewing room which is no one here and I'm alone, and Ebonie just needs to get her horse called Monty, and then we're going horse riding, and these some people inside there riding horses, so I'm just waiting for Ebonie to go and get her horse. So yeah, now there are some little horses all lined up now, and Ebonie has not come in yet. Oh yeah, she has. She is right down there. She's on a white horse called, I can't remember what its name. Oh yeah, it's quite cute. So they're all lined up and Ebonie's on a white horse, guys. As you can see, it's just, yeah. Ebonie's on that white horse right there. And I don't know what they're doing. She's just getting used to the horse, I think. And there's somebody like helping her because she's only been going for 2 weeks.
Someone had just mentioned it to me the other day. I picked this one because they've got an indoor school and a lot of them haven't. That was, you know, and I did ask for some recommendations and people said this one because it's British Horse Society Associated.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
And stuff, which, you know, that's why we thought we'd come here, especially because it's inside. Yeah. It's just like I can't feel my toes. Probably one of the horses that puffs itself out when it breathes in, you have to get its girth up fast. Yeah.
Yeah, that was the young girl, the great big one last week.
Yeah, oh, it's on velvet, is it? Oh, yeah. Like a grey one, yeah.
It looked huge compared to them two, I think.